So what you're gonna want to do is watch Anthony Zerkis' video on how to download Desktop Destroyer, and then after you do that, you go to your home drive, wherever you saved it. For me, it's games. It's under miscellaneous. Stress reducer, Desktop Destroyer, same thing. Exit out of whatever's there. Click on it and do work. So first, take the flamethrower by clicking 4 and make a couple clouds, smoke clouds, ash clouds, whatever you want to call them. And do whatever you feel comfortable doing. And in the middle, just spray it all. Gotta make a huge ash cloud. This may take a little bit. So this volcano that we're about to make is amazing. It's huge, and it is pretty fun to make. So it's a neat project. All right. So you make this cloud. You're gonna want to take that chainsaw, wherever that is. 6? Oh no, 2. There you go. By clicking 2, and just make your volcano. Alright, with the 8 button, hold it down and make your lava. Then take the chainsaw and kill. Tap it once to kill the termites for blood as your lava. Hold down 8 again for more lava. And repeat.
So we need to open Audacity at the same time, or can we record our voice on camera?
Until you're satisfied. Alright. You can do a lot of things with this, but
men's brains versus women's brains.
you can just
This comedian who
color splatter. You can do that as your lava if you wanted to. It doesn't look as good, but you know, whatever you want to do.
You know, I don't think you upload open source Linux.
They're down to not too many working.
Make some explosions of lava if you want, squirting out. Only if you wanted to, just a bunch if you want to 2. And make little lines in your volcano. Make it look realistic. And that's pretty much it. There's your volcano.
No, it doesn't record your voice.
Yeah, set it to.
Cam Studio doesn't record a voice?
You have to go into audio settings and say record from microphone.
Now you can just go crazy with it. Make a couple dots of ash if you wanted to.
Audio options for microphone?
Yeah.
Audio options.
So crazy. I'm holding down the 2 button while doing this. If you don't hold down the 2 button, then it's just lines like that. So hold down the 2 button.
That's what I put it as, default input device?
So much ashes going around.
Right now.
Will affect your volume there, by the way.
I'm just doing this quick. It's not perfect, but I mean,
What?
you do whatever. If you wanted to make it perfect, you could do this for hours, which I'm not gonna do because that's gay.
Record audio for microphone. You have to click that every time.
All right, well,
Under
there it
options,
is.
record audio
There's your
for microphone. You
volcano.
have to click that every time you come in.
And we're done.
If your volume's not loud